Hello guys, welcome to our channel. So in today's video, I'm going to show you a recipe that you will really love. This is the oatmeal raisin persimmon cookies. So right now, persimmon is in season. So there's a lot of persimmons and they are cheaper. So also if you have a persimmon fruit, and it's the best way, to use the persimmon fruit in your recipe. So in today's video, we're going to use oatmeal. So this is the oatmeal raisin persimmon cookies recipe. So of course, I will give you, I will tell you the ingredients. First of all, we have the persimmon. We purified the persimmon, and I will show you how we've purified it. So this is the persimmon fruit that we cut. We peeled and cut, and then we purified it. We got a puree using the food processor. We have raisins. We have applesauce. By the way, you can use butter. You can use butter, 1 cup of butter. But I really don't want to use butter. So instead of butter, I will use the applesauce. And then we have sugar, brown sugar. We have white sugar, we have flour, we have baking soda and salt, we have rolled out vanilla, 3 teaspoons of milk. So these are the only ingredients that we're going to use. Okay, so it's a very simple recipe. Your kids will love it, you will love it, and it's really good for snacks. Okay? So right now, we're going to proceed with our recipe. So for the first part, we're going to put this raisin in the saucepan. We're going to put the raisins in the small saucepan. So that it will be soft and tender. And we will bring this to a boil. So it's already boiling. We have to drain the water and remove the water. And then we will set this aside. Okay. So in a large mixing bowl, we're going to put the applesauce or the butter, the brown sugar, the white sugar, milk, and vanilla. And then stir them together. Mix them all together until it's mixed. Until it's mixed. Okay, so this is now a very nice consistency here. Again, then we're going to put we're going to mix all these dry ingredients. Okay, baking powder, the baking soda, the salt, the flour. And then we'll put it here. Mix with the mixture. And the oats. And the puree, persimmon puree. We'll put them all together. And also, don't forget the raisin. mix them all together. See the consistency? Mixed, we're going to put it in the baking pans. Okay, I use the ice cream scooper. Okay, I think it's ready. And we'll bake it for 10 minutes. It's very easy, right? Okay, so this is the Oatmeal Raisin Persimmon cookie, and let me bake it for 10 minutes.